The next one is this. It's exactly 5:23 and 9:23 in Ghana. And they are sorry, movement for change for Abba officially say Omate political party. Alan Kyeremanten and the demand NPP group omuye NPP for. And they are sorry, Alan Kyeremanten's movement for change rebrands into political party, now known as United Party, UP. The new UP. Ebi amu asenkrigwa mo amu eye tafo pankrono mo amu eye dichiwa mo mame krum denu ene mo papa krum ayeldo mo ebi amu eye oboase dunkwaw amakom ene sebio enyenye nchirem ose de na Kevin King yesi Alan de na waye Alan Kyeremanten NPP fo a omuso hu omu se sebio party no enkoyi a omote omo ho no afa de party na basa na nkasa omotu omo se omato party ni din UP. Inti movement for change, na sebio eyekuo. Sesia de aye amanyokuo. There's a difference between a movement. Yenshia, yango kan adwene, yanka bibima obi ehu se yeso, ye pa de palma Ghana, yanso ye pese nyoma ko ye friend movement. Oko na we to abasakom, we insada we kom, we sre ye bosri hehe, ye friend movement. Ye nyina ya adwene ye se, we de edi ekira ebeboaye, ene movement. And Alan Kyeremanten say sesia na ye nto abasako mu biem sesia de yaje akonwa atena se wate de amanyokuo ye wo de ekuo ene amanyokuo ene party political party and Alan Kyeremanten ate amanyokuo aye from United Party na me be chraw ensembia e wo sa wote ase na hu ene adekudie ntia ende NPP your friend New Patriotic Party no adekudie Alan Kyeremanten anka also lead NPP before Ekufuado oje muma Ekufuado Alan Kyeremanten sebio obo no ho modern eye campaign sebio impempenso bi ojama Ekufuado edu na penso Ekufuado ne ba omiamo eka ne hyeye eburu ne chifo papa bi ani and wate ne ho akoti UP no me be kire wase UP and they ati every MPP muno JJ Rollins kachire Ghana for na yentie.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir, the nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us.
Ghana for no say MPP no. Oma esa chinchina. Oma ese edien eye abosoma kotre. O say omutumi tisa omo kala, omutumi tisa omo din. Omutumi esesa sene omo kasa. Omutumi esesa sene omo tie. Na omusu ne de ensesa. O say who they are, what they are, their nature, you cannot change them. They will come in different colors and in different names. And they are manifesting. Ama ye nyina ye hu say the NPP na eye fapem miensa ene gina so. The NPP has 3 pillars. Nyaka say NPP gina eye 3 pillars so a omu gina dankwa, domo, and abuzia. These are the 3 pillars NPP e gina so. Nti u NPP fo a ye woni pe bia because of dankwa nti eno mo NPP mu. Ye nipa bi so a because of dombo enti eno mo NPP mu. And ye nipa bi a because of buzia enti no mo NPP mu. So three groups a omo nyina ewo omo ideas. Omo nyina efo omo adwene a omo kabo mu se omo beti one political party. And sa omo a omo gire mu ete NPP no a omo nyina free UP mu no. Omo enananom a omo ye buziafo no se omate omo. Na buziafo nananom no omo ne Kyeremanten ene omo a omo di Kyeremanten echi e party ni mu. There's one interesting thing. For a long time, even though fapem miensa ena NPP gina so emade party no, ya single out only one of the three pillars and yamana be to say eno ena represent the party dankwa. So obo dombo fo a ana obi bu se wo ye jimi fo. So oka buzia fo na ana obi bu se wonim de woka. Na dankwa fo no ama party na be to say omo dia na sebio omo mpo ena apore ho kakra ama dombo eni buzia fo no. But it is something a manifesting. Now a party a what a 9 million say gina so. And the a 9 baako no say they are no more going to be part of that party, meaning party in 9 million pe. Now, let's take our time and step back a little bit. So uchi when ni ekwe ichire kakra, this is what you see. And the air play out and they say omo a omati omo ho abeti UP foforo no enya wanwane nie. Let's go back a little bit. Obeti de ekonase. And I said the ekos no obeti ase. Now, when you go back, you see this, the birth of the UP tradition, a coalition against one party rule. The birth of the UP tradition. Senya UP ebaye. Also tia say NPP every UP. The education kit will be na fe the esin there yati UP for no beti ase. Now the birth of the UP tradition, a coalition against one party rule. Sa UP no adikudientia ye wu UP no na eye inkuo bi na keka omo hu bomu ema UP no ebeye UP. Inti UP no enye nipa baako. Eye inkuo ena omo ka omo hu bomu se omo mpene se Kwame Nkrumah ebedi Ghana so ono nkwa ne party ne be wi ni power. Inti omo nyina ka omo hu bomu se omo ba be den ebe stop Kwame Nkrumah say obey president of Ghana. Now, when you read the history, this is what it says. In the wake of Ghana's independence in 1957, Kwame Nkrumah's Convention People's Party stood as the towering force in national politics. But beneath the surface of this new public, a diverse group of regional and ideological factions harbored deep concerns about Nkrumah's centralizing tendencies and the drift towards authoritarianism. Now, almost said could yentia a sa group of friend UP no eba and say in 1957 Kwame Nkrumah winning elections no nipa kobi anase inkokobi adwene ye almost say send Kwame Nkrumah ne CPP no ewini power Ghana for editumi ahye omunsem democratically no omo de na omo nti omo ho ase na omo adwene ye omo say Kwame Nkrumah beje okuro na boso Kwame Nkrumah ebe ya hantan Kwame Nkrumah ebe ye panyini bi a obeye kebi mami kebi obeye oma kebi mami kebi enkoso enti omo fo omo ho adwene say omo bepe ekwan bia so egu Kwame Nkrumah aban no. Now yanko enim make sure UP na se adekodi enti a ende yate UP foforo. Now, to suppress ethnic and regional political fragmentation, na Kwame Nkrumah per se, eye adia ye friend in yimu, ekuo we, enton we, sa asum we, sa nipakuo we, sa enton we, sa ebusuafo we, na Kwame Nkrumah per se obras adia na se. Iti dia no ye. Nkrumah's government passed the Avoidance of Discrimination Act 1957, which banned parties based on ethnic, regional, and religious lines. Iti Kwame Nkrumah na ompese nipa bi ebeka se yebusia yenton bebia ye free osuma yesom kasa yeka ye chen ebi mu de ahye nipa bi nsunti ode mra bi baya na efre no Avoidance of Discrimination Act 1957 sene beya ekuo bi nipa bi eye enton bi eye osum bi entumi hye Ghana for so. Now what happened? Inti de oye ne say ode tabono eto eni ekuo bia so say memma obia enye de Nkrumah, which banned parties based on ethnic, regional, and religious lines. Inti sa emranaba en yakasema obia ente political party a eye entonti ne yete. Memma obia ente political party wo Ghana eye osumbi nti ne yete. Memma obia ente political party e wo Ghana eye baby o tinti no teye. Obia opese o te political party bi na o se engina so no eye engina so a eye Ghana fo nyina adwene pongina so. Inti emane de emra bi ba se ontumi kase me ya hunani inti me ya hunani nti na yete political party was no ompene. Ontumi kase me ya mfantini inti ye mfantifo nti na yete political Kwame Nkrumah se ompene. Ontumi kase me ya santini inti yete party bi ya santefo party o se o de mraba ye ntumi nye. Ontumi kase me ye nkremoni intimating kremofo party. Ana ultimi ka say me Christoni, me ti Christo for part Kwame Nkrumah dem rabbi say so obete party it should be devoid of religious, ethnic, and what we call a regional basis and biases. Now, ironically, this forced desperate opposition groups to unite, giving birth to the United Party, UP, in 1957. Inti Nkrumah passes Amrano, and na sebio parties bia no monti omo ho ase, nipa bi ekuo bia no monti omo ase dabi, and ye nyina be kan ho abom na yako eti Nkrumah. Every say na ebi mo epese omo te party out of tribe. Na ebi mo pese omo te party out of religion. Ebi mo pese omo te party out of region. Inti omu nyina ba together ka say Nkrumah is our common enemy. Enomu ene ebeti bibi e friend UP, United Party. Eno na omu de beti UP no. Enti UP no sa o pesa u de ma NPP be ye NPP aye say de bia NPP for UP mu a. The reason ti aye ti UP ni se na Nkrumah pesa obepene ma obiaka se me yankrani me asantini me fantini ti mate party ejina mekuo ana menton so. Because na Nkrumah person be pene se obi beka se me Roman ni me nkremoni me yede ni enti me gina no so de atepart na Nkrumah se eno so ompene. Nkrumah se enye bebi a wo free na obeka se me free ahuna memu nti me te party ama ahunafo dabi. Eno nti na ema nipa bi ba together say ende ye beti UP. Na ye nyina ye opposition parties a ye pese ye kutia Nkrumah. Because na nipa bi na group bi e pese mu gina enton so. Omo pese omo gina edian bebi omo te omo pese omo gina asumbi so edit political party. Into UP no eno na kofa UP ne baye. It was to fight against what we called the Avoidance of Discrimination Act. Now what did the NPP do? I'm talking about the UP. Edian na omo ye. Now remember, there is denti na medu kwa chire mo ate NPP na se enya party. Omo a dangerous group of people. Now the UP party UP na nkasa na omunie yen chirechirim na mdwudwe bibi mu nchiro. The UP in 1957 constitutes ekuo ben about together ebe form UP. Bibi na ma chiro bibi a trick wo. Na ma chiro de kudie a ende eye omo UP mu no ate omo ho every NPP mu. There's a reason. And ana enkora emmabawa ene mbebo mu NPP chira na mo ho yammobo o man se mmoa o mu ntumi nwene enko echire ye be use o mabo mu tuo esi o mu te se confirm because they don't even understand party do mu di echire hwade National Liberation Movement NLM led by Bafo Akoto rooted in Asante nationalism and federalist ideals. Bafo akoto no ya Asantini, onna na ye otumfo o saabre no na oye ne chiame. Bafo akoto on te NLM. NLM na otie no na nipa oka no homo tie no eye dankwa. Nanado dankwa ekufu ebusuani dankwa no. Ha. Ono ene eye de Bafo akoto ene ka omuti bo mu a omuti bibi efe no NLM. Inti na eye asantefo ne achimfo ene ba together. And ka say ende yeso yebeti party. Na yeso yebeti party ne de ekuokuo aka ye ho ne abe fight Kwame Nkrumah. And remember, NLM no na e Bafo akoto ana oye saa time no otumfo ho no ne chiame on the 700 pounds on the air den ekufu ado ebusuani e fe ne dankwa ha omo ene ye den ete NLM. Now hadie bi omo ye ena omo frɛ Northern People's Party NPP. Now it was led by Simon Diodong Dombo. Inti NPP na a Srimfo party. Na nipa ote sa party ano odi anim no ne afre no eye Diodong Dombo, advocating for northern representation and development. Inti omo de omo ka se omo betikuo na omo nyina akọ fighting Nkrumah no na NPP for omo srem no omo de na eye mpuntuo no omo pe. Eno na nti na omo join ye omo na nya bibia. Na nyese ohini bi ati omukrom ana omoya na ana so ohini bi ana intombi. Their sole purpose was to be part of this group. Send a development will come to the north. And itina Diodong Dombo eka say I want to be part of this coalition. Make sure be a motive obia motive be omdi free ba. Remember Ekufuado ebusuani dankwa one NLM ochiame ana oye otumfo saabre no ne chiame asantini ba ko ne achimni ba ko de NLM National Liberation Movement. And omoka say oh NPP, Northern People's Party, mo meka ho. And I'm so oh, ye de development, ye pempuntio, ye pese mpuntio ba, inti Dombo for no, one ne nkofo ebe join sa coalition. And hwan mo Muslim Association Party. And omo sa hu said abi. Inkremofo e Ghana. Inti omo party we friend Muslim Association Party, representing Muslim interests, especially in urban centers. Omo de omo ba ye no, omo say okay. Yenin krimufo na ye wo krum kakra no yeso pese abantie ye internet ne ye be join mo. They did not join because ohini binti. They did not join because now we are Dagomba for Sisala for Mamprusi for Dagati for. They joined because they wanted a ye inkremosum sebio emutre no sebio aban so adwene bekoso. That's all. They were not in there because na ohini bi no mo support no. And remember, some of them their intentions were clear. Now and almost afraid Unlock Youth Organization. And I'm saying that be so. And what they were doing is they were picking every single region because they wanted it to look like a united force. But the motive was that nani pebi and a kreti omwaku. And I'm afraid Unlock Youth Organization. Our focus was on our concerns in the Volta region. And I want to join here, no idea in say. Na omo pese in one nyoma bia ekokoso ewa hunamemu a sebio aban no enhyeda ani nko no omo be join your coalition we send ye be ya aban ni be ko. They didn't come because they were indebted to a chief, because na omo clan omo busua bi. They joined because they also wanted the government of the day or Ghanaians to know say ahunamemu no nyoma nkitinkiti bi koso a omo ni nje ho. They were not coming to join because they hated Nkrumah. No. The Northerners did not join because they hated Nkrumah. No. The Northern People's Party did not join because they hated Nkrumah. The Muslims did not join because they hated Nkrumah. They all joined with a motive to bring development to where they were. Now, enomoko ga sifimo bi omoko fa nkranfo so kakra be ka ho. Enomo sa ko nkranman mu. Enom say no, we need the people in the Greater Accra region. And omokofa eye ga shifimo bi eye gas based group from Accra omoko nkran so group be na wa mo nkran for mo be join it na ye nyina ye nkopre eye at the pambrefie nkran for no they were swimming at the beach, they were having a wonderful time, they thought they said development is good, this is a coalition, we all want betterment. Obia, the majority of the people group that joined were not joining because they hated Nkrumah. They joined because they wanted something to come to them, and in terms of development, them being recognized. it wasn't because they hated Nkrumah and thought to say Nkrumah was against Ga people, Nkrumah was against Awonafo, Nkrumah was against Muslims, Nkrumah was against Northerners. Nkrumah was never against those people. And those people knew it. But they joined because they felt we all needed one voice to bring development to our respective areas and the religion we are in. Now, they now went to the Togolese Congress, that is the TC, representing our communities in Transvolta, Togoland. Into almost sako a border no so. And almost sako fa a Transvolta. And Kofona, a kufa the castle, Obube Yoku, etununa, Obobi Mutuno. Aha. They brought those people and added them to it. Into now, technically, they have been able to tap into about 70% of the nations. That time, your regions and also. Into now, they have gotten other groups to join them for it to look like a united front. Now, Omuka say, but together, I was say, your friend Adewe, the UP, the United Party, no, and when the Billy D, it was led by Buzia. Remember, NLM, Bafwa Kutu, Ene Ekufuado, Omonomte NLM, Northern People's Party, Muslim Association Party, and Law Youth Organization, Shifimo, Ene Togolese Congress. Time omudi we nyina ba together mu nyina tena dai ba kumu nom say Buzia and the lead. So you see, the strategy was that they wanted to put all these people together. After that, they would spearhead it. Because say ebeye NLM nkwa, they will not have that weight. Say ebeye Northern People's Party nkwa, they will not have that weight. Now, the people who wanted to go after Nkrumah and destroy Nkrumah's government was Buzia mo. It was Dankwa, Buzia, and Edian, Dombo. Now, remember, Dombo mo joining, they didn't join because they hated Nkrumah. No. Dankwa, and Edian, Bafwa Kotomo, and Buzia mono. The intention was to use these people against the Nkrumah government. And the Omuye we nyinano and a Buzia lead here. Now, I'm saying, and in the one be NPP, on say there's never been a day. All these people I have mentioned, say kind of critically, they are all supposed to be part of the NPP. In Tinkauka NPP, and Kaunka Dankwa Buzia Dombo, or Sankaka Dankwa Buzia Dombo, Anlo, Gafishi, Togolese, and you are supposed to mention all of them. Now ask yourself, why have they, for a long time, NPP, in your platform, you say Dankwa Buzia Dombo? Because Dankwa Buzia Dombo, they basically had a coup that they were going to spearhead this. Majority of the group, they didn't recognize them. They added the Dombo because they needed the Northerners to make them look strong. That's it. And the plan was hashed. But the way the plan was hashed, not only to me executive plan because they did not have weight. They were one opposition. They needed a lot of opposition to make them look bigger. They needed feathers. No more here a atakra to look like even though they were chicken, they needed atakra to look like they were turkeys. Into the feathers and I feel big to say that is what they were doing. And they were able to get all these people to be parts of what we call the UP. Now, come all the way down to 2025. And there's a new group. As our new group, say, they have decided to move on. They don't want to be part of this group. Some other groups in UP4 and neglect Omona, Eja, Dankwa, Buzia Dombono. Now the Buzia na Sebio Obeli di UP no. Ne nana nom omwa na omoka party no me starting and oma to omanu to say they don't want to be part of this party. What will cause or what will make them today come out to say we don't want to be part of this party NPP. We got party no mo party no omono. So then at this year it will say even though me this year sa him feel we me besa metena ha na sa this year we hu bibi wa him feel wa sebio entwaye this year obetumi di ade Alan Cash obetumi di president obetumi use NPP di president this year ne nananom ene the supporters say ye free ahimfie ha that means say either say ohene na oti ahimfie no wane ena wode ntumegu so ena ahimfie ho bon ena ompese obeka no kore ena eye adehye ni baako ehu say nana wo twa woto kana yan hohoro interdiction say ye betena ha ehua ebini kankan we de and ye menso ne me group ye bekwa kosi ye den ye so bekwa kosi ye palace ne atenem indi say and this year ene nechi dom say saa fie ha ye ntumi ntina so tia say either say sebio ohene no wabodam another sebio ohene no oyewudini anase sebio no ohene no onka no kore anase bia sebio ohene no na himfie no odi ya de bia adehye na nhwa omo so yebeka se omo ye den na nkawefo because opanyini tifie ne ewe na nka na panyini anka bia ye ka na nkawefo a saa panyini no ka ho enti enne eye buziafo no say they want to walk omo ti omo ho mateme ho na starting 1957 no ene na asaba 2025 make them say they will change their name. They will change their words. They will change who they are. But the real character, no, and that is what is manifesting today. Now, is it not interesting? Obibeka say, Alan Kyeremanten in the group, Alan Kyeremanten in the group, they have taken the best decision. Now, so we share and the launching the UP, the new UP. At least they have admitted that they lived with criminals. At least they have been honest with themselves. Oma Jatum say, Nipa ya ni omo sign no, omo nye nipa papa, omo ye wudifo, omo say mine, omo ye etutrafo. One thing basically I admire about what they did today is that they want to give Ghana politics a new breath. They want to prove to Ghana for say, there are still politicians. So omo find it almost solved with murderers, liars, they can move away from there. Their impact might not be felt today, maybe in 8 years, maybe in 16 years, maybe in 24 years, but their impact will be felt eventually because at least some principles have been followed. Intende tamana omoye sa eye inauguration we no. There was one thing that basically impressed me. I saw people with dignity. I saw people with self-respect. I saw people who basically wanted to tell Ghanaians and say, we at least respect you. We know we have offended you. We are trying to let you know that we are humans, we make mistakes, and we can change. That is why they have decided to carve a different path. You see the kind of people who today decided to say, the Buzia group, we want to basically move on. We want to prove to Ghanaians that, you know something, we have offended you people. We want to show you that you know your home and we can be better. And when you hear them sing, when you hear them talk about what they want to do, you might not feel it and then you're 8 years, 12 years, but eventually people will come to believe, say, this current NPP is a dangerous political party. And Nintina, one pillar of the NPP, and the Ateno, abeti a new UP. Now, I'm sure IDB. Let's go back a little bit into history. Thank you very much, team, for bringing this. You see this? This is what the NPP at the end of the day. Senya UP no anantia babedru ende. Abadani NPP ende. Omona nanonu bi say yentumi nya part of this party. Evolution of the Dankwa Buzia Dombo tradition. Year, party, name, and key figures and notes. In 1947, United Gold Coast Convention, founded by Pa Grant, J.B. Dankwa, and others, first formal political party in the Gold Coast. And about 1951, opposition faction, after Nkrumah broke away from CPP, UGCC weakened. Regional parties like NLM, NPP, Northern People's Party, and others emerged. Now, when it comes to from 1951 to 1957, now, when you move forward, you see in 1957, United Party came and formed as the coalition of opposition parties after the Avoidance of Discrimination Act led by DKA, Buzia, and SD Dombo. And clearly, these are disgruntled people. A convincing kofobi dada ni pebi say But the idea was that yena ye pese ye tunkruma na magana be ye dia. Inti what Alankoyo Kyeremanten and the team no ayende no. It is something we all have to understand. Say na I was say AC. Because you see, the NPP for a long time, almost sideline Buzia for, almost sideline Eye Dombo for, and it is only about the Dankwa. And into the end there, we have only the Dankwa Institute. And no, I to say it is the brain of the NPP, but that is not it. We don't have Buzia Ede Institute. We don't have Dombo Institute. They have done everything to suppress everybody to make the party about Dankwa. Dankwa. And into your Adiom friend Dankwa Institute, they are forcing or they have forced it to represent the NPP. Now, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, he's neither Dankwa, he's neither Dombo, or he's neither Buzia. But the reason why today he's Dankwa is because of his greed. Mahmoud Bawumia is an NDC. Mahmoud Bawumia Papa worked with Kwame Nkrumah. Mahmoud Bawumia ne Papa worked with the NDC, Jerry John Rawlings. Mahmoud Bawumia saw an opening because of his greed. So he joined the Dankwa group, the Dankwa cartel. That can lie for you to believe, say it is the truth. So at this point, the Dankwa group have made sure Mahmoud Bawumia represents them. The same coup they did. And that is what they are doing today. And Intina, no matter what, they made Bawumia the flag bearer in 2024. Because you see, the Dankwa group, they are very good at doing internal coups. And in the coup for the Bina or the flag bearer, or ye Paul Afuku, or ye Kobne Japan, they know how to internally dismantle the base of a party and become the leaders of a party. The same way they did with UP. How they were able to convince all these people to think that the formation of the UP was about something positive. But the intentions within was to overthrow Kwame Nkrumah. And that is the same thing. NPP way. They are even forcing to impose another Dankwa who is in the name of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Let me tell you, the reason why Bawumia Echo 2024 was to prove to Ghana for say, oh, Dombo for no crampo no kanya. No. It was the making of the Dankwa group. The Buzia group, they have seen it. They believe, the role they played to get UP to be UP and to change into NPP, they cannot be underestimated. They cannot be seen as a side group. Today, when you take the books of the NPP, the history of the NPP, hardly do you hear anybody talk about the Buzia fashion. It is all about the Dankwa Institute. It's all about the Dankwa people. It is all about what the Dankwa wants. It's all about Dankwa imposing people on them. The Dankwa today wants to impose Mahmoud Bawumia on the people because one, Bawumia is greedy. And two, they believe they own the party because it was their mastermind that put together the UP. What you are seeing today, Alan is saving a political party that is dying because some group of people feel entitled, feel they own the party. The NPP cannot run away from its past. NLM was basically formed by Bafo Akoto ana oye chiame to sa time no ohine ana oye asante hene. Bafo Akoto party na otie no na onte party so ko football club. Ote party ni fra himfie. Time Kwame Nkrumah ede samra ne ba se obi antumi emfa himfie te party no ene na ma omudi omusika be hye mu so omubetu Kwame Nkrumah. Into whether you like it or not, the NPP is a tribal party. It was built out of tribalism. The intentions made the NPP no na Bafo Akoto epe political party or de eye akonya be fra na ode tietie nipa bi fa ahodie so epuopu nipa bi. And nuntina as ochiami to ohine no odi ni sika ete party no ahimfie. And no Kwame Nkrumah hu ye okase da bi ye ntumi nte party wa ahimfie e ma ne represent obia because the interest of the ahimfie is only to a tribe and not to everybody. And Nkrumah can say the interest to interest of a religion is only to the religion. The interest of a political a tribe is only to the tribe, and he is not going to allow some people's interest to overshadow the collective interest of the people. Into the rabbi said, Obian to me engina eye enton ebusia ekuo ene edien eya konwenimu ente party. Ultimate ntia sorry for ente party. Eno ene ekoma sa group no ebufu ya they went after Kwame Nkrumah. Into what you are seeing today, it is the reflection of what has transpired in years. Now, Alan Kyeremanten in the group, they are new breeds. They basically are looking at things from a neutral point. They are basically trying to let people know, say, Yatina Osumbimu for a long time. It has never been right. And it's about time we got to that point to understand and to let people know, say, Sa ye kuo we no, ye kuwa ye te no, sebio ye jina edien ahinie so ne ye te ye te na himfie. Ama ye ho enye Ghana fo akono. Ye party no entumi attract Ghana fo efri say ye su ene ye buy ene bebie ye free ba no say ye ante ye hu amfiri wa eye Ghana fo ema ye tumi biem. It Alan mo ehu ade kro. They have seen the light. They have seen, say, the Ghanaian is not stupid again. And they launched their anthem, and it was wonderful, it was patriotic. And let me tell you, Ghana politics, from today, it has changed. The NPP, egu. United, all united, united we shall stand. United we shall stand. Still mind you, still mind you. That's our anthem. To victory we shall fight. United, united, united we shall fight. In victory we shall fight. Victory ye shall fight. United, united, united we shall fight. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You need brave Bruno. In victory we will serve, united we shall serve. The new UP from the NPP. J.J. Rawlings said it, and you, J.J. Rawlings, you are a prophet. May your soul rest in peace.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjir. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with. And they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us. We will ride and override any obstacle as we did in the past.
That was J.J. Rawlings, the founder of the great NDC. Prophecy no na atono. And I'm Mr. Makachiremo. Me gu party no 2028. I will nullify it. Me gu no. And my set me crabo. NPP 2028 me gu no. And the new UP must emerge in 24 years. They have started now. They need to keep on. Na Ghana for and start entiomo. Who knows? In the next 24 years, Ghana for bit me tiomo. But right now, there you need to understand NPP no egu. And in 2028, men nullify no. 2027 by February. Na partner ejuja and Sanya Kotwaba. It's a promise. Now, you make it little